let's go ahead and put some of the decorations on the sides of the buildings. Okay? And so these are all windows lines that divide it out. So we're going to divide this into 3 sections. So maybe right there and right there are my 2 vanishing point. So just this little top part, put the ruler on the vanishing point, and then draw a line going point, and a line going up like that. And so now you can see right in here we have these 2 little lines going up. That's what we have going on right here, those 2 little lines going up. And it looks like it has maybe this with horizontal lines, so lines going back and forth, just back and forth. And so these are the windows on that top part, and I'm going to make them that big. And it's up to you about how big you make them. The further they get to the bottom of the page, the bigger they get. And I'm going to put another small one right here, like that. On this little teeny part up top. As this comes down, it looks like we have 1, 2, 3. I'll take this one for the surface decoration. Put it on the vanishing point. Let's put it kind of right about in the middle. Then I'm going to divide this into maybe 3 parts here. And maybe this one into about 3 parts. So they're all about the same size. So vanishing point, down, vanishing point, down, all right. So now I have these lines going down the side of the skyscraper, and now I can just put in some lines going across. Okay? So I'm going to start with them horizontal lines about this big. Now the important thing is the next one that I make, I want this next section to be bigger. So if that's equal, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Horizontal line. Then the next one, make it a little bit bigger. So small, medium, larger. Bring it down, make it a little bit bigger. And then a little bit bigger than that. Because the closer it gets to you, the bigger these windows are becoming. And so now even a little bit bigger. And I'm checking here to make sure I'm drawing horizontal lines and not diagonal lines. And across there, and then this next one, bigger than that. Now the next one, I wouldn't see that. This one kind of goes off the page. So notice how small this window is compared to the size of this window. So as you get further and further down, the windows get bigger and bigger and bigger. Just like if you notice here, they got wider and wider. It was this wide up here. Now down here, they're way, 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 way wide. And so that's the surface decoration for this part. If you know that, then you probably could figure out how to decorate this side. And maybe even decorate this side over here. These ones can be left blank. So let's do a quick check, see how people are doing. Remember, we like to make sure everybody's catching up, same place.